Samsung has announced that it will begin offering the world's first integrated 1 terabyte universal flash storage eUFS solution for phone manufacturers, with serial production already underway. This means that telephones may have 1 terabyte of storage with a single flash memory chip. Samsung's Vice President of Memory Marketing says in a statement that the 1 terabyte eUFS is expected to play a critical role in delivering a more portable user experience to the next generation of mobile devices. It's the same package size as Samsung's previous 512GB drive and has read speeds of up to 1000 megabytes per second. That's 10 times the speed of a typical microSD card, according to Samsung. Last year, Samsung touted the Galaxy Note 9 as 1 terabyte ready, but that's only if you insert a 512GB microSD card, the highest capacity currently available, on the 512GB model.